Hi, I'm now going to show you how you can encourage your students to do collaborative learning with the help of Flipgrid. As an educator, you have to sign up for a free account. If you already have an account, you can log in either with Google or with Microsoft. For you to add the topic, you have to click on Add Topic. You can add discussion question. You can add additional videos. You can record a video, you can upload a video, you can upload an image and so on. I am adding a YouTube video here. So now I have to decide how I'm going to share this with my students. It can be done either by sending an email or by using the username. I'm selecting more options here. I can add different attachments. I can provide 9 external links here, and then if I want to receive notification, I can choose whether I want to receive the new notification every day or weekly and so on. I choose daily. Students normally record their discussions and send it, and you have the options here for them to use. It is in the basic feedback format, and I click on create a topic. Now the topic is ready for sharing. I can share the topic by using the QR code. I can embed it. I can share the topic through Google Classroom. I need to choose a class. And then I assign the topic to the students. When I click on this, it will take me to the Google Classroom, and whenever students submit their assignments, it will appear here. And this is how we share the discussion topic with our students and encourage them to do collaborative activity.